How AI cold calling is better than human. Tools plus tips. AnyBiz. AI cold calling scales massively, ensuring professional interactions and cost efficiency. It processes data swiftly, customizing conversations for better outcomes. While lacking human empathy, ongoing AI advancements aim to bridge this gap. AI cold calling leverages NLP and ML to understand and respond to human language. It gathers prospect data, introduces itself professionally, adjusts responses dynamically during the call, and records details for future reference. AI cold calling systems aim for human-like interactions by understanding user responses and generating natural speech. Speech recognition technology converts spoken language into text, enabling intent understanding for appropriate responses. AI adjusts tone, timing, and personalization, creating engaging conversations that build rapport with users. AI cold calling maximizes efficiency, maintains professionalism, reduces costs, scales effortlessly, enhances lead quality, ensures 24/7 availability, personalizes interactions, provides insightful analytics, minimizes errors, and elevates the customer experience. Implementing AI cold calling effectively requires clear goals, compliance with regulations, regular training and updates for AI models, and thorough testing before deployment. Key tools for AI cold calling. AirCall AI seamlessly integrates with help desk and CRM systems, offers real-time analytics for insights into call quality and agent performance, and provides voice intelligence for analyzing speech patterns and improving future interactions. Conversica, an AI-driven assistant, engages leads through natural conversations via email or SMS, using lead scoring and personalization to prioritize follow-ups and enhance relevance. ChatSpot facilitates multi-channel engagement, leveraging advanced AI chatbots to initiate and manage conversations across various platforms. It incorporates sentiment analysis to enhance customer experience by adapting tactics based on real-time consumer sentiment. Sentione excels in social listening, using AI to detect crises and negative sentiment surges swiftly. It offers automated responses on social media, enhancing interaction and responsiveness. Gong.io offers conversation and deal intelligence, analyzing client interactions to improve sales tactics and drive deals forward. It provides AI-driven coaching recommendations to enhance sales team performance. AI agents in cold calling demonstrate higher conversion rates, increased efficiency, better lead qualification, and reduced operational costs compared to conventional methods. In the future, AI in cold calling will provide personalized interactions, integrate with broader AI-driven marketing, and leverage advancements in natural language processing and predictive analytics for more effective calls. Ethical considerations will shape its use, promising to revolutionize sales and customer relationship management. AnyBiz revolutionizes lead generation with its AI-driven platform, covering all channels for precision and efficiency. Features include 24/7 operation across time zones, data-driven decision-making, seamless CRM integration, and cost efficiency through automation. Future plans include AI cold calling to enhance multi-channel engagement further. AnyBiz is a cutting-edge solution, revolutionizing lead generation with automation and intelligence. It promises to enhance client acquisition and engagement, offering businesses a smart, scalable tool for growth and innovation. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support. Like and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.